excited?
Hello.
Are you
The
excited?
seatbelt check is around the corner.
Here we
For
go.
your safety, remain
So
seated with your
excited.
seatbelt fastened and your
You're good.
hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
Está en la puerta de los túneles. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
So ready? Good. Lexi, look. Lexi, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis, hyperspectral imaging and progress. Calculating total environmental impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit. Remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.